The Seal 06 GT adopts the marine aesthetic design, and its appearance restores the design elements of the Ocean M concept car in many aspects. With a more personalized front face shape and tension-filled lines, it presents the unique vitality and dynamism of the first GT for youth. The Seal 06 GT has a body size of 4630 mm *, 1880 mm * 1490 mm and a wheelbase of 2820 mm, providing users with free space with its leaping size. The interior design is based on simplicity with a comfortable and soft marine aesthetic while maintaining the sense of speed. It offers users an atmospheric driving experience by using multicolored ambient lights and innovative liftable cup holder ambient lights that can change rhythmically with the Dynaudio sound system. The E-Platform 3.0 Evo fully enables the Seal 06 GT to achieve ultra-safety and ultra-efficiency. BYD believes that safety is the greatest luxury of electric vehicles. With the support of E-Platform 3.0 Evo, it adopts the world's first CTB vehicle safety architecture technology cluster to further improve vehicle safety. The new vehicle adopts the main rear-wheel drive power structure, and the front crash safety performance is improved by 60%. In addition, in terms of body structure, it adopts the industry's first TRB integrated hot-formed front panel and 1500 MPa ultra-high-strength closed-roll pressed cross-beam, which are deeply integrated with high-strength blade batteries to form an endoskeleton CTB safety architecture. It is worth mentioning that Highbow 06 GT is also equipped with D-Pilot Intelligent Driving Assistance System, which has many active and passive safety functions such as BSD blind spot monitoring and AEB automatic emergency braking, and is equipped with a driver monitoring assistance function. The entire series is equipped with 11 airbags as standard, providing the user with a full sense of security. In addition to safety, it also provides an efficient travel experience with the advantages of E-Platform 3.0 Evo technology. The new vehicle is equipped with an 800V high-voltage platform, as well as leading technologies such as intelligent upstream fast charging and intelligent terminal fast charging. It takes only 20 minutes to charge from 30% to 80%. And only 18 minutes to charge from 80% to 100%. High efficiency works throughout the entire charging period, allowing users to fully charge in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. In addition, Highbow 06 GT is equipped with an efficient 12-in-1 intelligent electric drive system and 1200 V6 silicon carbide electronic control, which can achieve longer driving range and better energy consumption performance, and can be used without worrying about charging and driving range. 3 different driving ranges, main rear-wheel drive/4-wheel drive power structure, and more than 100 standard features for the entire series, unlocking a new travel experience. In terms of driving quality, it adopts front double-ball McPherson plus rear 5-link independent suspension, which distinguishes road holding and smoothness, and provides outstanding driving stability. At the same time, it offers 3 endurance versions and 2 power architectures, including 505 km rear-wheel drive, 605 km rear-wheel drive and 550 km four-wheel drive, allowing users to choose from various models. The 4-wheel drive model is also equipped with ITAC intelligent torque control system and FSD frequency variable damping shock absorber, and with an acceleration of only 4.9 seconds per 100 km, it takes into account the driver's driving pleasure and guarantees comfort, truly meeting the diverse vehicle needs of young users. Focusing on young family users, 06 GT meets the needs of contemporary young families for diversified and multifunctional vehicles in terms of intelligence and comfort, with the reinforcement of E-Platform 3.0 Evo technology and more than 100 standard features. In terms of intelligence, the Highbow 06 GT is equipped with an advanced version of the intelligent cockpit D-Link 100, which can realize functions such as continuous voice dialogue and 3D vehicle control, providing a personalized intelligent cockpit experience. In terms of comfort, the entire series is equipped with multiple configurations, such as electric adjustment of driver and passenger seats, electric sunroof sunshades, etc. High-end models also feature high-end configurations such as ventilation and heating of the front seats and 12-speaker Dynaudio audio.